Yo, 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 Old Souls fam, it's the weekend. I got time to work on the Del Sol. Another vlog coming right now. We got sound dampening right here. Should be my last box. Box number 5 for the interior of the Del Sol. I got all this done so far. I got a little bit here, a little bit on the floor, and this part right here, and the door. That should cover it. The whole interior done. Complete sound dampened interior Del Sol. Pretty excited about that. Then hopefully I can get my OEM carpet back in and start installing all my trim pieces. So we got to get into this. Hopefully the radio fits where the door hinge is for the radio. I'm going to let you guys know how that goes. But got a lot to do today, but I got 2 days. So let's get this done. Okay, I got the seat out. Don't let anybody tell you it's hard to take Del Sol seats out. There are 1, 2, 3 plugs that go under your seat, 4 bolts or whatever hardware you want to put in there, and it's out. So as you can see, this is what I got left. This floor pan, little bit over there, the door, and just right here. So gotta do this sometime. That's what we gotta do this weekend. Alright, so really all you need is a good pair of heavy-duty scissors. You got to get a roller. Here's your big old sheet right here. So just so you can kind of see how much a sheet will cover here. So here's a full sheet, and you can see like you'll almost get the foot area completely covered. You'll have a little bit more. So you'll cut like 1 1/2, and that's going to be 1 1/2. And then probably you'll get 1 out of here and maybe 1 along there. So that's already like 2 1/2 sheets. So it kind of goes fast, but if you're smart about it, you just got to remember to punch out all of your holes everywhere, kind of like I've done. Just in case, you never know where stuff screws in, plugs in, whatnot. But you can see, like I've done here, you got to cut all the holes out to everything just to... Alright, so that honestly didn't take that long. That was like 20 minutes maybe, but 1 1/4 sheets right there covered where the seat goes. So now we're just going to work our way this way, and we're going to get all that covered. I got my trusty helper Owen here. He's doing a majority of the rolling. So, yeah. My toes are cold though. I might have to put some more socks on. Okay, so I'm not going to show you covering this whole thing because that's super boring. But I did get the whole center console here covered up. So that's awesome. We're slowly making progress. We're going to get going right here and do that little section. So, yeah. So sick of living like a man on the edge. It's not working, gonna get either up or down. How do I get this right? Get this right? Oh, you hear me saying, why do I waste my time every time on you? Bad news here. My heater is just like not working. It just like went out. I don't know what happened with it. But it won't light come on anymore. It says the little current temperature is steady red at 44 degrees, and I want it to be 80 degrees, and it just won't come on. I put an extra pair of socks on, but my feet are still freezing and my heater's not working anymore. Alright, so I'm working my way towards the front here, and you got to take off your footrest here to be able to cover the rest of that. So I got to do that. It's just two 10mm bolts in there, so that's it. And then we're getting close. We're getting close. All right, so that came out. Is it weird if I don't want to put this back in? Like, I don't really like it. It's kind of ugly. I could probably get a different, nicer one. I don't think I'm going to put it back in. I just made up my mind. We might leave that out. And it looks cleaner. I don't know. We'll see. Whoo, dog. Driver's side is done. All the way up into there, underneath the pedals. I got one sheet left that I got to do under the passenger side. And then that'll be done. Unfortunately, oh my God, I don't have enough for the door. Luckily, the door is its own little kit and it's not as expensive as what I bought. So one more door cover kit for the door. She'll be done. Whew, that's crazy. But I do think once I do that other side, I can get the carpet back in at least. So we're at least going to do that. So, woo, buddy, I did it. 5 boxes of Stinger Roadkill Sound Dampening. Probably with taxes, $300 and a lot of time. But the inside of the Del Sol is completely covered, minus the door. Passenger, driver's door, it's all done. That was a lot of work. But it looks cool, but does it work? I have no idea. I can't tell you. So we're going to pick this up tomorrow when we put the carpet in. But for today, it's time to relax. All right, we're back. It's Sunday, the next day, and posted some photos up on Reddit and Instagram yesterday and got a ton of good feedback on stuff that I had no idea about. So we're not even close to being done, apparently. I've got all this done right here. And this is phase 1 of sound dampening, what I did. There's like blocking with something called mass vinyl, which you put over this thing. And then you use like a specific type of foam insulation, like open cell foam insulation that goes on top of that. And then your carpet goes in. So I got to do some more research on that stuff. Figure out if I want to do that. I mean, it sounds like I should do that, but it's just going to push this back even further. And I don't know. So yeah, we're not going to do anything more in this vlog. We'll leave it for another vlog, and I'll figure out kind of what I'm going to do here. But I do appreciate everybody that said this, said that, told me I should look at this, hit me up on Instagram. One guy is a little bit farther than me. He's adding the open cell like foam insulation, and he was like, yeah, you should be doing this. So I don't know. I got to look at everything and check it all out. But that's where we're at. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Crazy NFL playoffs. So it was good games yesterday, good games today. Go Pack, go. Yeah, and you'll see what I end up doing down the road, I guess, because I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But all right, guys, have a good one. Peace.